Hey guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today we will be reviewing the LangChain versus the Llama index. Let's talk about the LangChain first. So it is like a Swiss army knife for building LLM apps. It gives you tools to chain prompts, connect to APIs, manage memory, and more. It is super flexible but can feel complex for the beginners. And the Llama index right here, which is formerly GPT index, is all about data. It helps you ingest, organize, and query large documents or databases using LLMs. It is great for building chat with your data app with Rest. So the quick verdict for these both or two is that if you want full control and advanced workflows, you should go with LangChain because this is all this AI tool is all about. And if you want fast or smart data retrieval with less setup, then choose Llama Index. That's all.